Welcome to JH. Tryonly.com claims to be a wellness and personal growth platform, promising science-based insights to help you achieve clarity and balance. It sounds like a dream for anyone looking to improve their well-being, but the real question is whether the site is actually legitimate or just a cleverly disguised headache. Before you hand over your peace of mind and your credit card, let's break down the facts step by step. Make sure you watch this until the end, unless you enjoy being a cautionary tale. First, let's address the glowing reputation they've built for themselves. Tryonly.com claims to have over 100,000 active users, and their internal reviews are suspiciously perfect. However, when you step outside their curated bubble and check platforms like Trustpilot, the story takes a sharp turn into a horror movie. Multiple users have reported unauthorized credit card charges, often starting with a tiny $1 fee that suddenly blooms into a $40 monthly subscription. It's a bit like a wellness plan that starts by giving your bank account a heart attack. The second red flag is tucked away in the website's registration data. The domain was registered very recently, in May of 2025, which suggests either they've invented time travel or they are a brand new entity with zero track record. New platforms that immediately ask for sensitive payment details are inherently high risk, as there is no history to judge their credibility. Trusting a site this fresh is like buying sushi from a vending machine in a basement. You're really just hoping for the best. Thirdly, let's talk about their supposed science-based credentials. The site claims to be backed by top coaches and references prestigious names like Forbes, Harvard Business Review, and The Guardian. It sounds incredibly impressive until you realize that none of these claims can be independently verified. Using big, trusted brand names without any proof is a classic tactic to trick users into a false sense of security. Apparently, in the world of Tryonly, science-based is just a fancy synonym for "we said so." The fourth and fifth concerns involve a total lack of transparency and support. When we looked for a founder, a management team, or even a basic professional profile, we found absolutely nothing. It's a ghost ship run by anonymous entities. To top it off, their only contact method is a single email address. There is no phone number, no physical office, and no clear system to resolve billing issues. If things go wrong, your only recourse is to send an email into the digital void and hope for a miracle. So is Tryonly.com legit? Based on the unauthorized charges, the difficulty in canceling subscriptions, the lack of founder transparency, and those unverified endorsements, the platform appears highly unreliable. It's essentially a collection of red flags held together by a pretty website design. We strongly advise approaching this site with extreme caution and doing your own research before sharing any personal information. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on what to avoid.